Hi everyone, it's Clyde at Vibrant Soap, and today I'm going to be making a lemon clover with moringa tea soap, and it's a special soap because moringa, I cannot tell you enough about that, so I'm going to leave a link about the properties of moringa trees. They're called the miracle tree too because they're filled with antioxidants and minerals and vitamins and all kinds of things. You can eat it, you can make a tea with it, and that's exactly what I did for this soap. I made a strong tea with moringa, and then I added it to the soap batch. So it should be a really wonderful bar of soap, but I wanted it muted down a little bit to match the naturalness of moringa. So it's going to be kind of subdued green with streaks of copper, but the big bang in this whole thing was using enviroglitter gold dusting on the top. And this first time I used it, it's called Gold Dust from Nurture Soap. And as soon as that went on the top, it turned almost like a solid gold. So I want to show you that too. So let's get on and show you what I did. Okay, so if my oils and clay look a little on the green tinge side, it's because I've got some concentrated moringa tea already in there. And I'm going to leave a link for you about the properties of moringa in the description box because it's pretty amazing. And we cannot really make claims about any kind of additives to the soap. So I'll let you know that there's just good stuff in here. Whether it survives saponification, I'm sure some of it does. It'll make it a great soap. So let's blend this and add our lye. And I'm going to scent this with a mixture of 4-leaf clover, which is a really fresh, like green scent, and some juicy lemon. Let's get the lye in there first. Soaping at about 71 degrees on the cooler side. So when I mixed up my moringa tea, I strained it so that none of the dry solids were in there. Notice it's turning brownish color right now, but it will lighten up. I made moringa tea before, a moringa tea soap, and I'll leave a link in the description box or at the end titles so you can see that one. And I don't know how much this will accelerate, so I'm going to add my fragrance now and hope for the best. Okay, I'm going to just emulsify that. Add my small bits of color first. Oops. Okay, just like my last soap, I'm going to do a nice swirling of 2 different kinds of green for the background first. And I better move because I can see it is coming up. So I'm going to add my Laurel Green to this from Nurture Soap. Nice green. And then I want to blend this darker green, Enchanted Forest from Rustic Essentials. If you're doing a background swirl, you want the colors to be pretty similar, unless it's going to be really kind of busy looking. Stir these. This is a copper. It's Copper Sparks Mica from Nurture Soap. Should have a little sparkle to it too. And this is Lavish Lavender. also from Nurture Soap. And this is Yellow Vibrance. And it's getting a little too thick for me to do the drop swirl that I wanted to do, but that's fine. I'll show you what I'll do. So I'm going to have to mix them all up in here, which is fine. Look at that nice thick soap batter. I'm used to this consistency too because of my avocado soap. Okay, let's add the dark green first. So that slight color difference is going to look great. So I'm going to stir this quite a bit. And we'll get some more swirling when I add this. So this is the yellow. I want to have this be a kind of natural, kind of on the green side soap. And my copper. Save a little for the top. Well, this is my lavender. So get that in there. And I'm going to give this a nice swirling. And then get it in the mold. This is going to be doing some kind of color morphing, so I'm not really sure what it's going to end up like in the final product. It's because it's going to morph on two different kinds of ways. One is because of the Moringa Tea, and one is because the green micas will usually lighten up, brighten up in the process. So we're all going to be surprised together when we do the cutting. But to brighten this up, I've already prepared some mica drizzles. And I have a little bit of color to the top. This was the copper. The metallic micas look different when combined with soap and when combined as a mica drizzle. Let's have a little bit of yellow. First thing I have to do is make sure that that soap is kind of spread out evenly while blending these colors. Then I'm going to add the mica drizzle. This is going to be an excellent feeling soap on the skin. Okay, so there's that. And then to brighten it up, I've got some pistachio mica drizzle. And some copper penny, metallic looking. some green right there. Wherever I missed. And even though this is a unisex soap, I'm going to add some gold dust enviroglitter. Oh my god, that's great. Just enough green poking through there. Clean up the sides. And that's it. Wow, it's like a shiny gold top. It's beautiful. Then we'll bring you back for the cut. Okay, I really like that. How the end of the loaf looks. And that purple actually came back when I was mixing it. You saw how sort of muddy that purple looked. I'm expecting some of the colors to be muted a little bit because of the tea, but it's supposed to be more of a woody type of soap. And make sure that I had some brightness on top with that gold. So very woody looking, and it smells citrusy. It smells green. It should bubble a lot because of the honey I added. Those little thin lines of copper. And again, I'm going to leave a description below about Moringa. It's quite an amazing tree. Some people call it the tree of life. You can do so many things with this tree, the leaves. I'm glad I added that little pop of yellow that you can see sporadically in the soap, like there's some right there. It just adds some interest. There's some more right there. And even that purple, you see it right there. It's not everywhere, so it's kind of cool. There's a S. Well, thank you so much for watching. I'm trying to get a video out every week. And I do a different version of it for Instagram. So check me out there too. And thanks for people who bought off the website. Appreciate that. Had a busy time responding to all the great comments on Instagram and YouTube and Facebook. So pretty happy but busy camper here. And one more cut. And we'll see you on the next video. So thanks for watching, everyone. Take care of yourself, and happy Thanksgiving too, even though it's a little bit late because I get these out on Saturday. But I hope you had a nice Thanksgiving, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.